Hello there. Today, we are breaking down to core computer science concepts, stacks and queues using simple, real-life examples. Think about packing a suitcase and building a music playlist. Yep, it's really that simple. Let's get started. Let's begin with a stack. Picture yourself packing for a trip. You put your socks in first, then jeans, then your hoodie on top. Now when you open the suitcase, you pull out the hoodie first. Because it was the last thing you packed, it's the first thing you take out. That's exactly how a stack works. Last in, first out. Also known as LIFO. In computer science, we say, push to add something on top, and pop to remove the top item. Stacks are everywhere in tech. The undo button in apps, your browser's back history, and even how functions run in code using a call stack. The last function called is the first one to finish. Stacks keep things neat like a suitcase that unpacks in reverse. Now let's talk about a queue. Picture your music app. You add a bunch of songs to your playlist. The first one you added, it plays first, then the next and the next, exactly in the order you added them. That's a queue. First in, first out. Also called FIFO. We use the terms enqueue to add something to the back, dequeue to remove from the front. Queues show up in tons of real-world systems. Print jobs are handled in the order you send them. Customer service calls are answered in the order received. And background tasks on your phone run using queues too. It's all about order and fairness. Now why do these matter in computer science? Let's break it down. Stacks are used when you need to reverse actions, track nested operations, or manage recursive functions. They're perfect for short-term memory and backtracking. Queues are used when tasks need to be handled one at a time in the right order, like serving users, printing files, or streaming videos. They help systems run smoothly and fairly. Quick recap time. A stack is like a suitcase. You pack it from the bottom up and unpack from the top down. A queue is like your playlist. Songs play in the order you added them. Stacks use push and pop. Queues use enqueue and dequeue. So there you have it. Stacks and queues explained with a hoodie and a playlist. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions or need clarification. Also, feel free to share what topics you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching. And until next time, keep learning and keep building.